So you join me outside where I'm going to be finally getting around to sorting out the Mini's lights. I've polished them previously a couple of times, but what's happening now is in a second they're starting to cloud up. So what I've gone out and done is I bought a set of replacement lights and we'll go through how to replace them. Looks to be a really easy job, so I'm going to quickly show you the problem I've got. You'll see here that one's not too bad, a touch cloudy, and the polish on that's a few little smears. On this side, it's actually very cloudy. So what I've gone and done is I've gone onto eBay and I have a replacement set, and you can see the difference here. It's much less cloudiness. And what we can see, come under this side here, is there looks to be one main connector, so that's going to come out. 2 8s securing there and there, and then another 8 here. Hopefully those will just pop right out, and then the whole light will slide forwards to the front. So I'll try and set you up somewhere you can see what I'm doing. Okay, hopefully that lets you see something. I'm going to try and take these 2 back ones out first. Okay, I'm having serious trouble getting this clip out. So what I'm going to do is undo everything, see if I can pull this through the hole here, and it'll give me more space to physically get around the light switch. Hopefully I push this down. Okay, and now it's down. Should be able to just kind of slide this out. Now I can see how that connector is. And that's off. If you look here, the top of the connector has a pin you have to push. So now, make sure it's the right one. That's right. It actually has 1 screw on it. Convenient. So I'll connect this up and see if this has any working bulbs in it. So before we fanny ass around with trying to make sure that works, let's see if I got lights coming out of it. There is a main beam. It's a dipped main. Also working, great. Okay, at least we know that light actually works. Now, balancing it to getting it into that slot. And now, because this is all in place, all we've got to do is try and get these nuts to thread. I'm going the wrong way. I like to back off a few turns just so I can make sure it actually binds in the right orientation, but I'm struggling to get this one on. That one's good. Alright, so that's pretty much how to do it. I've only done one. I'm going to go and do the other one off camera because you don't want to watch the same thing happen twice. And that's it. Generally, I think next time I won't bother with the polishing on this car. I got these headlamps for 15 quid each. Polishing kit's about 17 quid and a couple hours of my time. It's 3 bolts and a clip. realistically, that's what I should do every time. So these were second hand. You can get newer ones, and you might get new LED ones that last me a lot longer. But this is a lot easier than the polishing, so I'm going to do that in the future. In the meantime, thanks very much, and I think I'll get back to my brick K100 next. That's a nice little update on the Mini, and it just improves the quality of life. All right, thanks very much. Cheers. Okay, and just for completion, this is what it looks like after. Much nicer. And that's that. Thanks very much.